Okay, so this is Stacey, who's just done the first day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Stacey, whereabouts have you come from?
I'm from County Durham.
Oh right, so a little bit of a trek then.
Yeah, just a little.
Excellent. And what do you do at the moment, Stacey?
I'm a HR administrator.
Okay, so completely...
Office-based.
Oh right, okay, so is it your first touch into the beauty industry then?
Yeah, first time.
So you must have had a few nerves coming then.
It was a bit of excitement, a bit of nerves, a bit of both, yeah.
Yeah, excellent. And what made you decide to make the change and potentially go down the route of permanent makeup as a future career?
It was more having time to just think about myself and during lockdown.
Yes.
So it just kind of came about that I needed to start and do something for me and kind of give myself a shot at a go of something that I want to do. So
excellent.
Yeah.
And did you get a chance to do much research into the industry first? I know some people, they sort of set their mind on something and go for it. Some people spend months and months researching.
No, I didn't spend that long. I pretty much booked up and straight away and got straight on there. I was eager to go.
Okay, excellent. And obviously you've just come through today and we've been working a lot on the practice skins and things like that, the theory side. How have you has it been quite foreign to you? Did you pick it up quite quickly, do you think?
No, I think I've picked it up quite quickly. I'm enjoying it. It's kind of coming quite natural, I think, anyway, but it's quite therapeutic.
Excellent. And you'll be drawing eyebrows when you're on the phone soon,
yeah.
doodling and everything. And how have you found sort of Kate's training technique? Because obviously it's one-on-one, so do you think that sort of helped rather than being in a big group?
Yeah, definitely. It's easy because you're just kind of focusing on just the two of you there. You can get straight down to it and kind of pick up any little flaws that you might have found, or she'll just give advice straight away. So yeah, you're not having to wait around for an answer.
Excellent, brilliant. And obviously a lot more practice in the head tomorrow, and hopefully you'll sleep well tonight.
I think so, yeah. I was a bit more excited last night, so it was a little bit tossing and turning. But
oh, really?
Yeah, I'm really comfortable now, yeah.
Excellent. Good first day then.
Brilliant, yeah. Thoroughly
Brilliant.
enjoyed it.
Okay, Stacey, thanks for your comments. Cheers.